Hey guys, I thought I would do a house tour today. So I'm gonna start from our front door. And this is the box our Christmas tree came in, so my son is playing with it. So here's our front door, and right next to that we have a little shelf where we put our mail, my husband's Bible, tissues, just random things. And then we have all of our shoes. And then come over here and you get our living room.
Hey, there's a marble.
Yeah, there is a marble on the floor. So where I store the diaper bag. Up here we just have a really beautiful picture that I really love. It has one of my favorite verses on it. Some more dust collector things. And then I have my knitting corner right here in my desk. So this is where I do work, and I knit, and I sit here basically. And storage, knitting, needles, camera stuff, more needles. We just separated our couches, and I like it how you can walk through here, where before you'd have to go all the way around this couch. So this is my husband's little area, and he has his computer here.
Why? Because this is my book.
Hey Ruben, can you leave Mommy's book alone for right now? We'll look at it later, okay? Let's look at it later. Mommy's gonna film a house tour video. So if you come in through our living room, you hit the kitchen, which has our Christmas tree right now. It's almost Christmas here, and I thought I would film this video before my baby came, because afterwards it's going to be chaotic and not clean. So in here we have me cooking my son lunch. He asked for French toast and he wanted some sausage, so we're having breakfast for lunch.
No.
We have my current book, cooking book, because I'm on the keto diet for gestational diabetes. Here we have the high chair, our lounge chair, and all of our coats.
This was my chair.
Ah, that one's your chair, huh? This is our everything drawer, which is a giant mess. And in here we just have food. Lots and lots of various foods. Keto foods for me, non-keto foods for my husband. Lots of supplements and things for different things.
Cranberries.
Sure, I'll get you some cranberries in a minute. Then you come through here and you hit our kitchen with our fridge full of food. We like food. Dishwasher and dishes. More dishes. We really like tea. And here is our dinner cooking in the crock pot. So we do have an A-frame house, and it has really nice high windows that I really like. Over here we have a little shelf that has my son's stuff and his chair that he sits in when he watches TV right here so he can see. We have our shelves with all the toys, some more books, our TV, and sometimes we watch things on the computer. And we have the steps to go upstairs, which I'm going to show you last. And then we're back at the door. So this is not a closet. It is our air conditioning unit. And in here we actually have the only closet that is not in a room. And it is very, very full because it is our only storage space. It holds all the things. Sheets that we cover that chair with over there, band-aids and stuff, just storage. If you turn right around, you come to our first bathroom, which this one I really call my husband's bathroom. It's just a bathroom. It's nothing special. We have lots of, there I am, hi! Lots of toothpastey things and cords that we keep in this basket. My husband gargles with this even though I tell him not to. And this is something I am going to be using postpartum. We have a toilet, a trash can, a shower. The washer and dryer are in here, and we have clean laundry and 2 baskets for dirty laundry, our towels, and where I hang our cloth diapers, where I put any chemicals that are dangerous out of my son's reach, and more towels that we need to go through our towels and declutter them, and I haven't done it yet. So we're leaving the bathroom now. Then we have 2 bedrooms, and this bedroom right now is kind of storage / my son's extra playroom / my daughter's room. So this is going to be her room. So it's going to be unicorn themed. So we have a really pretty unicorn poster, another one over there. I have the pack and play set up where I hope she will nap. I don't know, Ruben didn't nap, so we have her cloth diapers all prepped and ready here, and a changing pad. And then I have her clothes here. This used to be mine when I was a baby. So all of her 0 to 3 months clothes, and then her 3 to 6 month clothes are in that bin. And all the infant toys are in there. We just have a little desk that we don't know if we're going to get rid of or where to put yet. It's just here. Then some things that my son was playing with that we just have in here for the time being. And then you come in here, and this is my son's bedroom. His bedroom is Totoro themed. So he has his stuffed animals, a little shelf with toys, Howl's Moving Castle, his bed, his house, his play kitchen. This bin holds all his toys, and the closet is just storage for his old clothes. And then we have the double stroller in here because we don't need it yet. We got this for free, actually. And his clothes, which are kind of a mess right now. His laundry and his cloth diaper bin are back there. You gonna play in your house? Bye-bye. So coming back out, we can head on upstairs. I'll have to get my son's lunch out soon. And I have some Goodwill bag donations right here. And this is the master bedroom. So we have my husband's closet. This is some storage that we just haven't figured out what to do with. And yes, we have more towels. Here, you can come up. Here's my jewelry and my little wall of my favorite pictures. Storage bins. Just memorabilia that I don't want to get rid of. And then we have my closet. And over here I have all of my knitting stuff and crochet things. So you turn around, we have a bookshelf. We each have a computer up here as well. These are for playing League of Legends on, mostly. We have a bookshelf here too. This has our extra sheets and pillowcases, and my husband's books from his 4 years of engineering school. Here's my sewing stuff and my sewing machine.
You want to press this one?
That'll turn the light off. My husband's side of the bed and my side of the bed. We never make our bed, so I didn't do it for the video. I have the Dock-A-Tot out, just preparing for my child's birth. And I have all my yarn in this cedar chest.
Can I press it?
You are pressing it. Come down. Don't press all the buttons. You'll turn off the internet. Come on, let's go back down. And the very last thing we have is my bathroom. Even though we all use the same bathrooms, this is just the one that we call mine. This is my husband's storage closet where he put everything that he had in the spare room. So it's really dark in here, but everything he didn't throw out, as well as like some baby stuff that we want to keep for the next baby. This goes in our window during the summer. We have stuff, bathroom things. There's my makeup bag, my mirror,
No.
and all of my toiletries right here.
Here. Here is it.
Oh, you got that out. Let's put it back. It's time to go eat your lunch. Let's go down and eat. You want your yummy food?
Yes, we want.
All right. And that is our house tour. I hope you liked it.
Yes.